How to take a scheduled carpool in ConnectSmart as a rider. First, tap Carpool. To get started, make sure you've joined a carpool group. Tap Manage Groups. You can join a private or public group by searching by name or location, or you can create a group. Now you're ready to find a ride. Tap Find a Carpool Buddy for a future trip. Select Rider as your role, add your route, and choose your pickup time frame. You can even schedule repeating days for your carpool. Tap Next. Once you're all set, tap Find Matches. Here's how to match with a driver. ConnectSmart will notify you when a match appears. Once you've matched with a driver, go to the carpool page to see your matches. Send an invitation to your driver directly, or accept incoming trip requests from drivers who match with you. Once a trip is confirmed, your driver will start their trip and head your way. Ready to meet your driver? ConnectSmart will notify you when your driver has arrived at the pickup location. For a secure match, verify the 4-digit trip code provided by your driver. Buckle up, and you're ready to go. You can also tap Share Trip Status so your friends or family can track your journey. Ready to complete your trip? Once you have reached your destination, you can tap to confirm drop-off. At the end of your trip, you can rate your driver. You can also adjust your matching preferences for future rides. Happy carpooling!